single-minute exchange of dies system created by Dr. Shigeo Shingo and the reduce methodology that is based on Dr. Shingo's system are powerful ways to reduce changeover times. In this video, we will briefly introduce stage 3 of the single-minute exchange of die system, streamlining all aspects of your setup. After completing the first two phases of the SMED system, the third stage looks to really make the value stream flow. This oftentimes involves reviewing the value stream and eliminating various forms of muda and moving from sequential operations to parallel operations, which allows two operations to be completed at the same time rather than waiting for sequential completion of each of the operations. Two other common methods that people find very beneficial in their efforts to further streamline all aspects of the setup process are using functional clamps in place of nuts and bolts. Not only does this reduce many forms of muda, but it can also reduce the need for many different types of tools. Using numerical settings can also help eliminate the need for excessive testing and trial and error adjustments that oftentimes need to be done in traditional manufacturing environments when a changeover occurs. And that's it. A brief introduction to the final stage of the SMED system. Now, before we go, please take a moment to answer the following question in the comments section, upcoming assignments section, or on a piece of paper from your desk. What other ways can you think of to streamline your setup or changeover activities? Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.